Hey YouTube, how the heck you doing? I'm doing great and I hope you are too. A little cold outside, so I thought I'd break open my latest TWSBI pen for you. I've been waiting for this one to come in. They did a slight variation on this one that I think is going to be pretty cool looking. So I just wanted to get into this thing and show you exactly what we have. So this one I got probably 2-3 months ago, so I've had it a while. I just haven't had the time to break it open to share it with you guys, but now that we're able to do that, let's go ahead see what we got in here, because I know what we have in here besides packing slip, cute little ink sticker, and of course thank you so much for ordering. Packed with impeccable. No, it doesn't even say that anymore. Usually it was packed with impeccable care. Probably still is though. And a little pamphlet on showing you the differences of inking. So let's go ahead. Dig into this somehow. There's the sucker. He was hiding in there. Get rid of the noisy paper. So this is the TWSBI 580 ALR, and this guy I got in the new color that they came out. It's a Caribbean blue with ONYX accents, so hopefully it lives up to its premise of looking pretty sharp. So we got the ONYX blue. It's in there in that nice little package. Let's see, do we have stickers? Let's see stickers this time. No, it's got to have stickers somewhere. They're just very clear this time. Usually I can see something to pull, but this one doesn't seem to have those. Oop, nope, still not there. Let's do this guy. See if we can do this guy. Cut it on that side. Cut it on this side, away from the subject. There we go. So I got that. It's got the little retainer clips, and just off the bat, I'm liking this little blue Caribbean there. Caribbean blue, the ONYX accents. It's pretty nice. Let's see if I can get it to focus on the pen instead of me. But yeah, it's pretty nice. Let's open it up here. So they've got the nib, here's the ONYX also, so it's the dark nib. I got the fine on this one, so it does look like it's going to be a nice writing utensil. They got the Caribbean blue with their white logo on the cap, also with their little logo on the front end of it with the Caribbean blue around the red logo. And then of course this is the piston action that I have known to love with the 580 series. So this is really nice, smooth functioning. I didn't get a matching ink this time. I think I may have one anyway from previously sample ones that I've gotten and everything. But this is just like their typical 580 series. It's got like a faceted barrel, kind of gives you a little gripping there or playing around there so it's not too slippery when you're moving it around. And then it's got the tapered, and the grip on the near the edge of the nib there has also got ridges on it, so it's not real smooth, but it is very comfortable to hold and everything. So I am liking. I've always liked the 580 series. I also do one of their other ones, the I can't think of which it is, but we'll go into those one of these days. I'm going to just break out all the 580 TWSBIs, and I also do Lamy fountain pens, so we're going to break those out, kind of ink up a few, and just mess around and play with a few as, you know, drawing or writing, and some calligraphy. I keep promising new calligraphy coming to the channel, so that will be coming. But right now I just wanted to show you this new collection, or new piece to my collection, I should say. Yeah, it's a Diamond 580 ALR, and very nice color combination. I'm almost tempted to carry this one around in my art satchel that I have for drawing and stuff daily in my daily little journal that I do. But that's what I wanted to bring to you today, guys. Inside here is obviously probably the wrench for tightening it down. Never forget that's in there. That's always part of it. And TWSBI also gives you a nice little bottle of lube that you can use to maintain the fountain pen. I'll bring you that part of it too. I'll do a maintenance on one or two of them in the LabMe series and the TWSBI series and see what we can do with that. But today, guys, this is what I want to bring you and show you. Hope you enjoyed the little reveal of the Caribbean blue with the ONYX accents. Nice clip as usual. Very well made and sturdy pen, but hope you liked the review. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can find out when I bring all this together and kind of go through them and ink them up, test them out, do a little maintenance on them. And I will see you next time. Have a good one, guys.